Hey guys, let's talk about the TMY projector setup. As you can see, I have mine here already working. There's a FireStick connected to the HDMI port, and I can also connect any device to the USB port, so I can load a movie or music, whatever I want, right? So the first thing that you have to make sure is that you have focus with your projector. If you have this on autofocus, when you shake it like this, it's going to autofocus, you see? So it adjusts by itself, okay? But if you don't have these settings the way it's supposed to be, like autofocus, you just need to get a remote control, like I have it here. And then you go to home. When you press this button here, home, you go there, and then you have this screen that you can go to the top right to the settings. There we go. And here you see projection settings. Down there you can adjust. Here, for example, it's just using this key on the remote control. In the right key, for example, you can adjust this way, right? With the left key, here you adjust in the opposite direction. And then you press the OK button and comes to the next one. Again, you can adjust here. Press OK button and keep adjusting the way you want, right? With the OK button and the arrow keys button until you have the best way possible. There we go. Then you hit home again, go to home, and here you can load your Miracast Android, for example, iOS, load a movie. If you just click here, you can read the USB device that's connected there. Let's say, for example, when I watch a movie, I just load it from here.
Expert systems, which could mimic human decision making. Pretty cool, right? But the real game changer came in the 2000s.
There we go. Back to home. In here, you can go to HDMI. If you want to load something from the HDMI, just go there. In here, I'm loading something from my FireStick. Okay, so pretty easy. Back to home. In here, on project settings again, back to the top right. You can connect to the network, for example, on network settings. So just click here, and then you just select the Wi-Fi that you want to connect to. So very easy. Okay. Back to home again, one more time to settings. Here you have Bluetooth settings. So when you enter Bluetooth, you can just pair the devices. Let's see, I can pair this device that I have here. It's a Bluetooth speaker, or you can look for available devices. Then you can just connect to, right? Pretty easy as well. One more time here on the settings, you can adjust the date and also the language and look for system updates, okay? And have other settings here that you can like select the input source options, power on option is standby, for example. And there we go, okay? So basically you can just do everything here with your remote control. So it's very easy to set up. There's no problem here at all, right? But guys, that's the way you can set up your TMY projector. It's very easy. Depending on the model that you have, the interface is gonna change a little bit, but you can just figure it out, right? So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.